So, classification of systems. Let us define system. A system is an interconnection of elements or functional blocks which are connected together to produce an output in response to an input. That means, so we have a system here. So input to the system, it may be one or many inputs, and output may be also one or many outputs. So let us take an example of a system as an amplifier. So if I take example as an amplifier, so amplifier circuit consists of active elements and passive elements. So that means it is an interconnection of elements, we can call the system. So input to the system is a low level audio signal, so output is a high level audio signal. That means it will produce an output in response to an input signal. So, or one more word we have used here, functional blocks. Functional blocks in the sense that, so let us take the block diagram of a communication system. So in the block diagram of communication system, we have transmitter is there, receiver is there, encoder is there, decoder is there. So each individual blocks can be considered as a system. Our entire communication process can be made as a system. So this is how we can define the system. So now systems are broadly classified into two types. So one is continuous time systems. So second one is discrete time systems. Continuous time systems will handle continuous time signals. Discrete time systems will handle discrete time signals. That means, so input and output to the continuous time systems are both continuous time signals. So example for this continuous time systems are amplifier, filter, transmitter, receiver, so etc. So similarly discrete time systems, so in that input and output both are discrete time signals only. So example for this is computer, microprocessor, so printer, etc. So these are the example of discrete time systems. So this is the broad classification. So once again, these continuous time systems and discrete time systems are further classified into 6 types. So those are based on properties. System classification based on properties. So system properties, system classification based on properties. So that is, the first one is linear and non-linear systems. Second one, time invariant and time variant variant systems. Third one is causal and non-causal systems. Fourth one, static and dynamic systems. Fifth one, stable and unstable systems. Sixth one, inversible and non-inversible system. So that means these 6 types of classification are based on the properties. Say for an example, linear. So if the system obeys the linearity property, so then we are calling it as a linear system. So let us discuss in detail these classification so in the next video.